Maximize your iPhone security right now by turning off these settings. A couple of these turn back on after the latest update. Tap on Settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. And scroll down towards the bottom here, and you see Analytics and Improvements. Tap there. And as you can see, if I have these turned on, I would share iPhone and watch analytics, iCloud, app developers, hand washing, health activity, safety, and it goes on and on. If you need any of these, go ahead and leave them on. I don't want to share that information, and having them on does cost you battery life. So I am going to turn these all off so that I can protect my privacy and save my battery. And go ahead and tap the arrow back. One other place you want to tap is right below that, Apple advertising. Tap there. It will give you personalized ads, but once again, I don't want to share my data, so I am turning this back off. Hey, leave a comment for me down below and let me know if you had these settings turned on or if you had them turned off and they turned back on for you after the latest update.